Let the cat out of the bag is a popular idiom that refers to the act of revealing a secret or disclosing confidential information, often unintentionally. The phrase is used when someone inadvertently discloses something that was meant to be kept hidden or unknown. The origin of this idiom can be traced back to medieval times when merchants would sell live animals, such as piglets or small animals, in bags to customers. Sometimes, dishonest merchants would replace the valuable animal with a less valuable one, like a cat, to deceive buyers. If the buyer discovered the deceit, the merchant would let the cat out of the bag by revealing the truth. Today, the expression "let the cat out of the bag" is used figuratively to describe a situation where a secret is exposed or confidential information is revealed unexpectedly. This can happen due to a slip of the tongue, accidental disclosure, or someone inadvertently revealing sensitive information. The idiom can have various implications depending on the context in which it is used. It could range from a minor revelation with little consequence to a major breach of trust or potential harm. In any case, the disclosure of confidential information can lead to various reactions, such as surprise, embarrassment, disappointment, or even anger, depending on the nature of the secret and its significance. In interpersonal relationships, letting the cat out of the bag can strain trust and lead to communication breakdowns. Friends, family members, or colleagues may feel betrayed or hurt if someone unintentionally reveals private information that they were entrusted with. Restoring trust after such an incident may require open communication, understanding, and an acknowledgement of the mistake. In business or professional settings, accidentally revealing confidential information can have legal and financial ramifications. Companies often have strict protocols for handling sensitive data, trade secrets, or upcoming product launches. Failing to maintain confidentiality could lead to legal disputes, loss of competitive advantage, or damage to the organization's reputation. The idiom also finds application in the realm of diplomacy and international relations. Diplomats and negotiators must exercise discretion and refrain from letting the cat out of the bag by inadvertently sharing classified or sensitive information during delicate negotiations or discussions. In summary, letting the cat out of the bag serves as a cautionary reminder about the importance of confidentiality and discretion. It highlights the consequences that can arise from accidental revelations of secrets or confidential information. The idiom encourages individuals to be mindful of what they say and to handle sensitive matters with care. Trust and confidentiality are essential components of strong relationships, both personally and professionally. Being vigilant about avoiding accidental disclosures can prevent misunderstandings, maintain trust, and safeguard confidential information. When mistakes happen, acknowledging the error and taking steps to rectify any harm caused can help repair relationships and rebuild trust.